Hey guys! So MrGarrell had a really good question about my camera the other day. So this is a C920. It is a 10-year-old camera with not very good lighting. We're going to change that around to make it look like this. Let's get to it. Alright, so number one, first thing that we want to do is we are going to mess with lighting and then our settings. So, number one, lighting. Right now, top light is on. We are going to turn that off. But I'm going to show you, excuse me for a sec. I have 3 lights. I have a soft light, a ring light, and another soft light. This is what it looks like with a curtain that is not a shadowless, and that is a darkroom camera. You can see the difference between the 2 curtains there. You're going to want to stick with the one that's farther than this one. That'll help you with your lighting. So we're going to turn these lights on, and then get to the next setting. You can already see the difference in it. So now, let's tinker with our settings. So look over here. We are going to focus on this. So I put my camera next to this so you could watch this. So brightness, usually we always want to turn that down just a little bit. That way you can have some color to your flesh. Accentuates a little bit. We'll go up a little bit on the contrast and just up a little bit on the saturation. More color, less flashy, beautiful. Sharpness. If you turn your sharpness down low, that's where you're going to get fuzzy. We don't want fuzzy. Or you might, I don't know. We want that up. You can see the camera is going to get sharper now. Now if you go really sharp, not that great. So probably stick around like 160. 162. Next, your gain. Gain all the way down. Make that between 20 and 24. Somewhere in between there. It's going to make a world difference. Next, camera control. We're going to take zoom out of the picture completely, hit apply, okay, and here we are. So your end result looks like this, a lot better. Now you can take it a step further. If you have any lights, I have 2 60-watt RPG lights that can turn on a beam, and there you go. Get her done. Bye!